This is the Zojirushi rice cooker, and I'm gonna show you really quick the features on it, and I'm gonna cook some rice in it so you can see how it works. So this is the stainless steel color. It's got this great little handle on it so you can pick it up to move it around. It's pretty heavy, but it's also very small and compact, so easy to store. It has this little plastic thing on the side where you can store the rice paddle. And then it's got a retractable power cord on the back, so that way the cord's not hanging out when you're storing it. It also comes with this little measuring cup so that you can measure the rice in it. This is for steam to come out of, and then this is on the front here. These are the buttons that you're gonna push to cook the rice. So you can set it to white rice, mixed, quick cooking if you're in a time crunch, sushi rice. You can do oatmeal, steel cut oats in here, and brown rice. I'm gonna be cooking some white medium grain rice right now, and I'm gonna time it so you can see how long it took. But here's what you do. You just press this button right here and it pops open the lid. This is a removable to clean. The bowl is removable. And then it also has measurements on the inside there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook 2 cups of white rice using this cup. So I've got one, just fill it all the way to the top. And I've got 2. And I'm gonna rinse the rice and then I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, the rice is rinsed and I added water to the 2-cup line on the white rice section. So I'm just gonna close it and I'm gonna press the cooking button. It's already set to white rice right here. But if I wanted to change it, I would just press menu and it would change it to one of these settings. You can also change the time setting on here manually. And if you mess up, you can hit reset and that'll restart it. And then once it's finished, you'll see it keeps it warm here. This will be lit up. So I'm gonna time it and let you know how long it takes once it's done. Rice is finished cooking. So you can see the keep warm button is illuminated right now. And you just press the button right here on the top to open it up and you can see fresh steam coming out of this lovely pot of rice. So you just take the rice paddle out of the side here and you can fluff it up just like this. It just makes the most perfect rice every time. It took 45 minutes for 2 cups of medium white rice, medium grain white rice to cook. And there is a quick cook setting too, so if you need it a little bit faster than that, you can also try using that. We don't really use that too often. We usually just try to plan ahead. But anyways, this rice cooker is the best ever. Works so great, and it's just nice and small and compact, and it's a great buy.